In this video, I am going to discuss about the price action details. With respect to yesterday's video, in last video, I have explained how the market structure will help us to initiate the trades, how to find the reversal point by using the market structure. Those details yesterday I have discussed in the last video. For that, this is the extension example which I have taken. Since I am little bit experienced trader with respect to the reversals, so I initiated the little bit early. You have to wait in case you wanted to trade exactly reversals, right? You have to wait for the confirmation. Okay, before going into the video details, this is the standard disclaimer, please be mindful of it. Coming to the details, right? Let me go to the chart. Okay, this is the nifty chart. Normally today I am going to give you a few examples. Okay, what I yesterday I explained, this is the market structure, right? Always in the bullish market structure it moves. Okay, after the extreme move there is a probability of going for the sideways or a reversal. Okay, this is the concept I explained. Okay, when before going into the sideways market, okay, this will give you some rejections, or what it will do is, okay, it makes like this. Okay, like this is almost equal to the sideways only. Okay, this is always equal to the sideways. Okay, during this sideways rejections, right? During this, what I mentioned was, when it goes like this, the structure got disturbs. Next time, okay, the first green candle you have to mark red like this. Okay, then whenever this comes into this territory, you have to initiate the trade so that it will go like this. Okay, that means the first, okay, the first, the first lower high, the first lower high, okay, the first lower high you have to initiate the trade, don't initiate here. Okay, let us see the what happened in this market today. Okay, what happening was, this is the extreme move. Yesterday it had the extreme move, again it had the some extreme move. After this extreme move, right, market supposed to go for the sideways or some correction. Okay, before going into the sideways, obviously it will be like 50 points range, it will be there. So we wanted to capture this sideways move. Okay, that is the intention. Okay, how to find out, what I mentioned was, the last green candle, this is the last green candle, right? You mark the last green candle, high and low. Okay, here this is not came for that, right? So what, in this case what we have to do is, this is the high, this is the higher high, this is the higher high. Okay, after that, the highs are the distance between this high, right? It is slowly coming down, slowly coming down, right? After coming down, this is the inside candle. If you see, this is the small candle, small green candle. After that there is a big candle. This red candle is outside candle and this green candle is inside candle. In this case, if it is, this green candle is outside candle, after that the red candle is inside candle, you have to mark the green candle side. Okay, last two candles, now you should mark it. If you mark like this, definitely it comes, touches here, touches here. If you see the reaction, negative reaction, you can start initiating the trade in the first minute itself. Okay, since I was the experienced trader, so what I did was, see here itself, there are rejections, right? Here there is a rejections. Okay, in this candle 1240, okay, here itself 1235. In this green candle itself, I initiated the trade by having the 30 to 40 points stop loss. I know that, okay, maximum my expectation is to fall here. The reason is, let me go to the some higher time frame. Okay, the overconfident, sometimes we have to use our overconfident, which may help sometimes. Okay, what happening is here, this was the first resistance. Okay, it is over. The second resistance was here. Okay, after that, here there is a gap, right? Okay, this is where the next resistance is there. That is the point. Okay, definitely market is going to give some pullback here. Between this, wherever these green candles are there, this is where definitely it is going to give the pullback, because the move, if you see this move, right, this is not expected move actually. Okay, so that is the reason the market structure itself becoming weaker. The market structure is becoming like, here length is there, after that between the higher highs, right, there is no length at all. That is the reason I initiated one candle before itself. Okay, I was waiting next, this is the fall. Okay, similarly here also I initiated some trade. He See here, I felt like, okay, with overconfident I initiated with one lot. Okay, then I tried to averaging it here with another lot. Okay, which resulted the stop loss, and I lost the around 8,000 rupees. Okay, I don't sit idle for when I lose the money. Okay, this was the my orders. Okay, if we see, right, this is where, that is also I always trade in the money. Okay, most of the time I trade in the money. This is the first trade, I lost the 8,000 rupees loss. Then second trade, I made the 10,000 rupees profit. Okay, 10,000 rupees profit by recovering this 8,000 rupees. Okay, where I recovered, let me show you. This is the move. This is the move. Okay, see, this is what is the time, 11:35. Let me show you my order book. 11:35. Okay, here one or two lots I was trading here and there, here and there. Finally I made 8,000 rupees with small quantities. Okay, 11:35. This is the 11:36. 250, 252 is the entry, 227 is the exit. That means 25 points I captured. Okay, 25 points, which is 10,000 rupees. Okay, after that, once again I initiated the trade. After that, once again I initiated the trade here as well. Okay, I captured till this point. Okay, and also I released some small short video where I checked the chart, and I exited. 214 is the 114 is my exit, somewhere 114. This is where this red candle, right? Reason is, this is the zone which is going to act as a support. That's what this green candle reacted. I exited. This was the trade today actually. So the structure itself, if we see, right, and one more concept, right, in the options, most of the time, remember, this is the normal chart. This is the normal chart, right? In the option chart, it will give you the hint before itself. That is the reason I initiated the trade one candle before. Okay, this is the one more pattern I am going to explain you. Listen carefully. Okay, see, this is the candle, we call it as a shooting star, right? This is the candle, we call it as a shooting star. Okay, if the shooting star after falling the market, okay, at the end, if this happens, right, the meaning is, all of a sudden there is a buyers started, but sellers dominated and bring down. They should not able to bring them completely down. That means the sellers are getting weak. Okay, this impression is buyers, the market is here, the candle is closed here in the red candle. Okay, next candle opened here. All of sudden buyers started taking the market up. Okay, but sellers came down and bring the market to till this point only. That means still there are buyers. This body is there, right? Still there are buyers left over. That means in the downfall, the buyers started dominating. The prudent guys, intelligent guys already entered here. This is called the liquidity test. Okay, this is one candle. The second candle ulta. If you see like this, the candle here, still there are sellers trying to sell. They are bringing the market down. Here there are buyers are there. They started coming and dominating these guys and pulled the market. But within given time, right, within 5 minutes time frame, okay, they could not able to dominate more. That's where the small body left over. These two candles, if we see these two candles together, this is the one candle, this is the other candle. Together, in between there is a one or two candles will be there, red and green. You should not consider. Okay, definitely one green candle or one red candle will be there. Okay, on the floor. If this you see this candle combinations, okay, between this one or two candles maximum, this combination are the support, okay, which intended to reversal. Okay, in ulta, okay, in ulta, if you see the candle like this at the resistance, this is the resistance, right, top level resistance. If you see the candle resistance, what usually people think like, okay, this buyers are dominating, there is a probability of breakout. This is not that meaning. Okay, whenever you see this kind of candle followed by next candle followed by the like this, in between there will be a some green candle or red candle, one or two combination of these two candles. If you see at the resistance, okay, there is a 90 to 80 to 90% probability of reversal. Remember, these are the two candles. This you cannot able to observe in the price chart. That means nifty index chart, you may not be able to find this. Okay, but whereas in the options chart you can see that. Okay, these are the rejections, right? Here color doesn't matter. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. See, what is this candle? Last candle. What is this candle? This candle is always, remember guys, this candle, right? Long legged doji. What it means? Buyers are dominating. When if this forms at the bottom level, buyers are dominating. Okay, if this is going to form at the top level, what it means is the sellers came and bulk in bulk, right? In the bulk they submitted the order. That's what immediately pushed. This is called the liquidity test. They are trying to test whether powerful buyers are there or not. If I pump the, or if I dump the my basket, right, are they buyers are available or not, they are checking it. Okay, that is the sign for this candles at the top level. Okay, let's say you are the big guy who wanted to sell for 1,000 crores or 100 crores. You need the large bulk position, right? First what you will do, some 10 crore you submit and check it whether it is workable model or not, buyers are there, then you start dumping the everything. That is where they are trying to, test this. Okay, here everywhere they are trying to test this. This is the shooting star. Okay, this is the shooting stars. How many shooting stars? Three shooting stars are there, right? Why I initiated three candles before itself? Okay, 12, 30, 12:35. Here itself I initiated 12:35. By seeing these two candles, okay, already people started the selling. So next candle, this is the candle, gave me the full confirmation to hold it. So I was holding. It came all to the 22, 122, but I have not exited. I didn't. I don't see. I don't. I want a little more profit. Actually, I was looking more than 10,000 rupees today profit actually. So here I have not exited. Again, it came back. I know that there is a big dumping is happening. Again, it came down. Still, I was holding it. My profit went to the zero. Okay, then it fall. Big fall is came. Now I got the 10,000 rupees. I closed my position at 114. Okay, if I close my position at 114, my account is going to have the 10,000 rupees profit for the day, which is the Friday. That is the final I wanted to have. Okay, here the conclusion is, whenever you are watching this chart, right, price chart, observe the options chart also, see the patterns. Okay, these are the candles, right? These are the candles. Okay, before coming for this, right, the big candles. Okay, big candles. And also most of the time you will see the, okay, volumes also. This volume concept, next video I am going to discuss this volume concept and how to check the, by using some indicators about the reversals. Okay, these concepts I am going to cover. Video length is going to become very large. Now this is the candle. Okay, after that let me play the, after that what happened, let me play. This is where I told, okay, here 122 is the low. It came again, it went. Okay, 140 is my target. It came like this. You see, some smart people pulled the market by putting it and covered the market. Okay, both the directions. They took the amount and went home happily with happy Friday. Okay, party timing. That is what happened. Okay, this is the extreme move actually. Yesterday 300 points, today also how many points, 180 points, right? Morning 180 point, 400 is the resistance zone. Why 400 is the resistance zone? I told you, right? This is where the resistance. Okay, this is where the resistance. Previously the price action, it had the price action. Okay, here the breakout happened, right? This is the price action, this area. Maybe these guys, whoever taken the entries here, okay, by seeing this gap, right? Okay, they encountered with a lot of losses. Now immediately market came back here by seeing this move, here breakdown, right? Okay, if you see this, if you see this, by seeing this big move, okay, by seeing that big move, somebody might have entered. For example, let's say you only took the position here. Okay, here somewhere in this area you have entered the position next day. Okay, now you expected it's supposed to reversal, but you have not exited and market followed down. Now it came back. Okay, now what you feel? Loss recovery is my profit, so you are going to exit here. Not all the people. Okay, some small retail people, they are afraid and they are going to exit here with some fear or some greed or something. That is where, okay, this is the point where there will be some orders, buy orders was there. Those buy orders are going to become a sell orders now. So this is where my expectation was it's supposed to fall. Okay, that is what here itself. Whenever you see this kind of gaps, some green candle will be there. Okay, during this, these green candles are going to be the resistance points. Wherever you see the green candle, okay, these are the candles which is going to give the retracement levels. Okay, wherever you are seeing the green candles, these are the places you will see the huge move. This is how you have to trade the retracement. Since I am the reversal trader, so I wanted to trade by catching this. These are the points where pressure zones, we can call it as a pressure points. Actually, these pressure points I wanted to trade. Okay, this is where the small money, safety money with less stop loss hunting will not be there in this kind of places. So better, easily we can make the money. Okay, that's all friends in this video. I will come up with the next video with the new concept. Thank you for watching this video, and also please press the like button and subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much.